Tagging a clip is a way of adding information to the clip that can later be searched for easy queue-up and playback. Instead of having to type words, we've created a workflow that allows you to predefine your tags and then apply them quickly with a few keystrokes on the control surface. This allows you to use your terminology within any event. To show the tags panel, you can click on this button on the interface, or you can hit Shift Tag on the control surface. By moving the mouse cursor to either side of the button on the interface, you can use the title bar area here to scale the tag area. Once scaled, this is the size that will be revealed. Now you can see the tags list. This interface is broken down into a few areas. Along the top is the tab and options area, and below that are the cells. The tabs can be renamed, allowing you to create custom categories for your tags. To rename a tab, right-click on it and select Rename. There are 3 tabs as a default, but using the plus button, you can add as many tabs as you'd like. Editing and creating new tags is easy. Simply click the Edit Tags button and all the cells in the selected tab will highlight. Each tab has 99 cells that can be used for tags in that category. With the Edit Tags button clicked, you can now click on any cell and type a tag. Let's use the first tab labeled Team to define 2 teams playing the game. For this example, we will use East and West. So for tag 1, we type East. Now advance to the next cell in the Tags tab either by clicking on the next cell with the mouse or by hitting the Enter key either on the control surface or the keyboard. Now type West for the second tag and hit Enter. This completes the tab as there are only 2 teams for this event. To advance to the next tab, either click on it or hold down Shift and hit the Next Tab button on the control surface. The next tab by default is Player. We're going to make it Player Number. Right-click and add number to the name. Here I like to fill in all possible numbers from 1 to 99, and this will work for most sports. With the first cell selected, type 1 and hit Enter. Then 2, Enter, 3, Enter, and so on up to 99. When complete, hit the Shift Tab button to advance to the next tab. By default, this tab is called Action. Here you can define actions that will happen during the event that you might want to label clips with. You can create as many tabs as you want with the plus button. When finished editing the tags, you can exit edit mode by clicking the Edit Tags button again and the cells lose their highlight. Leave the Auto Advance button off for now. Once the tags have been defined by you using your terminology, you're ready to apply this information to a clip or an event. Manual entry of tags is possible. Hit the Clip List button. Select the clip using the navigation buttons. Type whatever you want on the keyboard and hit Enter to add this info to the data viewport and to the clip itself. Manual tagging with the mouse is also possible. You can manually select the clip and then a tag that you want to apply to it. Select the clip with a mouse. Reveal the Tags window. Click on a tag and it is added to the selected clip's data viewport. Hit Enter to add this info to the clip or click on other tags to add additional info. Then hit Enter to add all of the info to the clip. Manual tagging with the CS is also possible. Hit the Clip List button and use the navigation buttons to select a clip. Hit the Tag button on the CS. Hit Shift Tag to reveal the tags if they're not visible. When working in tabs with less than 1 row of tags, you only need to hit the number of the column. If you are working in a tab with more than 1 row, like Player Number tab, you must first enter the row number and then the column. There's a visual cue here to help you. Notice on the Team tab that the columns are highlighted saying Use Me First, and this is all you need to do. But in the Player Number tab, the rows are highlighted green saying Use Me First, and then once you select one, then the columns become highlighted in green saying Use Me Next, and then That info from that cell is added to the clip. Now, when working with player numbers, this works out well, as you can enter any number by entering the number itself, row first, then column. Remember, if you're entering single-digit numbers, use a 0 in front of it. You can advance back and forth through the tabs using the control surface by pressing the Shift key and using the tab buttons by the navigation controls to go backwards and forwards through the tabs. Once finished tagging, hit the Enter button to add all of the tags to the clip. Then hit the Tag button to exit the tag mode. The Tag button will not be lit. Hit Shift Tag to hide the tags list. Auto Advance allows you to apply multiple tags from multiple tabs easily. With this button turned on, every time you add a tag from a tab, it advances to the next tab. For instance, go to the clip list and select a clip with the navigation buttons. Hit the Tag button to enter the tag mode. The Tag button lights up. Reveal the tags if you can't see them with the Shift Tag button on the control surface. Enter the cell number for the visible tab and tag the clip. Notice that the tab advanced to the next one. Now, enter a tag from that tab and it advances again. Once done editing tags, hit Enter to complete. This can be done after entering only one tag if that's all the info you want to add. This is an excellent way to add a lot of information to a clip very quickly. Any information added to the Fast Clip data viewport can be searched. Type the keyword into the Fast Clip data viewport and hit the Search button. The search will show any event that has a clip in it with that info in it, so there's no need to tag every angle of an event. The search results are shown in their own tab located here. When commenting on clips, use a structure. Call all goals goals, not one of them goal and one of them score. Player numbers are a great way to seek out an instant highlight reel for a specific player. Once data is created, use the search button to do a keyword search to find all of the events that contain that data. The Search Results tab shows you anything that has that info in it. Once events are created, they're given an event ID. The event ID is made up of two numbers. The first number is the clip bin, and the second number is the event in that bin. You can cut, copy, and paste these events to any bins using these commands right from the CS. Notice that clips in all bins start with that bin number, but clips in the search result bin could come from several bins. The Go To button will take you to the event directly in its original bin as opposed to showing you search results. For instance, you could search a term, select a clip from the search results, and hit the Go To button, and it will take you to that clip in its original bin. Go To also allows you to instantly jump to any tab and any clip if you know the tab and clip ID. Simply type the event ID and hit Go To. The Go To button can also be used to jump to a specific time code. Type in a time code into the data viewport and hold down the Shift key and hit Go To. This jumps to that selected time code on the selected output, but does not create an event. You can start playing from here or create an event from here using any of the methods described.